In this video, I'd like to show you how to add a subscription form. We are going to use my personal blog, freek.dev, which is a Laravel application, to show this. I've already added the form itself and I've installed Mailcoach. The form itself is pretty simple. It is just some HTML. We have an email input element and we have a submit button. I've already set up a controller which will be used to handle the response. Right now, the subscribe method doesn't do anything. But before we start coding, we should create an email list in Mailcoach first. Let's do that now. So in Mailcoach, I create a list and I'm going to name this list freek.dev newsletter. All campaigns sent to this list must use the from email freek@spatie.be and use my name. And with that, the list is created. Next, let's create a request to handle the form submission. I'm going to name it subscription request. We are going to let it extend Laravel's form request. And we're going to add a simple rule on it. Namely, that it should be an email. So the field email, it is required. And it should be an email address. And I'm also going to add a little helper on here to get the newsletter. So public function, or not newsletter, I meant email list. And this will return an email list. And which one? I'm going to just use the Mailcoach model. So email list, where name is freek.dev newsletter first. Now let's use this request in the controller. With this request in place, it is now very simple to add somebody to an email list. So let's create a subscriber and the one from Mailcoach, create with email, and which email? The one that we have in the request. And we're going to subscribe to which email list? The one we set up in the request. What are we going to do after somebody is subscribed? We are going to redirect to another page. So redirect to the action, which action? The one from this class. Which method? The method subscribed, which is just a simple screen that I've already prepared. And this is all you need to do. Let's test it. So I'm going to go to the form. I'm going to subscribe myself here. And the subscriber should now have been created. Let's take a look in Mailcoach if we have that subscriber. And sure enough, I am now subscribed to the email list. In the next video, we are going to extend on this a little bit and require confirmation before signing up to the newsletter. See you there.